If you need to update your phone number on the Wish app, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Wish app. Launch the Wish app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the Account or Settings option to enter your account settings. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings, find and select Personal Information or Profile. This section contains your account details, including your phone number. Step 4. Edit Phone Number. Locate the phone number field and tap on it. You can now delete the old number and enter your new phone number. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Tap it to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm the new number. By following these steps, you can easily update your phone number on the Wish app. Keeping your contact information current is important for account security and communication.